What's up, y'all? How y'all doing today? I am just got done with my Sunday drone class, which was awesome, down here in Racine County, Wisconsin, on the lake, as you see, or like the big lake. Got done a while ago. Just really didn't feel like going nowhere, you know, and yeah, just here enjoying, as you can see, you know. Go out here, see what is it, the beauty of the big ponds, Big Lake, Michigan, I think this is, you know. Beautiful day. The Ambo. Yeah. Just no rush to go nowhere. You know, just heat advisory for today, next day or two. Yeah. Just not really in a rush to go nowhere, you know. Sunday, beautiful day out, enjoying it, you know. Just a nice day out, you know. But yeah, not much of a big video, you know, the usual 15 to 30 minute video. Not as short, you know, but just whatever, you know. Kind of wish I was heading to school down in Missouri for welding a little bit sooner, but fingers crossed. I hope the opening comes up sooner for that. Yeah, I don't know, just enjoying. So if you're new to the channel and like what you see, tap on that subscribe button, leave a comment, thumbs up. Enjoy the Weirdo Nation, Squatchy Nation. As anyone knows, I'm a Squatch man, Sasquatch, as you can see. My Sasquatch there, and my Sasquatch there. We the Squatch Nation, the Squatchy Weirdo Nation, you know. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, like, comment if you want to. I'm not going to force you to do that, but it would be greatly appreciated if you subscribe. The more the better, and all that. So squat y'all later. Stay weird. Love life, live life, enjoy life. And to my son, I love you. You're the best. You're the greatest. And see you next time.